G'day guys, we're just going to go through the AP1000 pump, and we believe you're having some issues up there and we want to try to help you to fix up the issues. Okay, so alright, we've hooked up the pump. We're just going to run it for you, and as we run it you'll see obviously the operation as it should be, and then we'll give you a couple of things to look at that that could go a long way towards fixing your problem. Well, Bob, if you just turn it on. So that's the basic operation of it. Just make sure that your air pressure is right up. So we're running that at 100, so it's obviously going to drop off a bit once the main air supply receiver drops off a bit. So yeah, just make sure that yeah, you keep the air pressure up to it, and that should be fine. Look, one of the biggest problems that we do have with these units is moisture. When moisture gets into this solenoid here, it stops it from switching. It creates like a hydraulic effect. That's obviously being an air operated unit. Creates that hydraulic effect, and moisture seems to be the biggest problem. We're quickly going to show you how to disconnect the solenoid. So yeah, we'll just turn off the air pressure there. We pull both hoses off, and just while Bob's doing that, I'll just let you know that we'll order some spare solenoids. I'll get a couple up to you straight away, and we'll order some spare solenoids, and you can sort of have them as a quick fix. And then when you get back to the workshop, you might want to sort of clean everything out, you know, when you've got time. I know you guys will be busy, so you don't want to be doing on-site repairs. So there's a solenoid that comes off. It's got the little throw bar there, and as I say, when we get moisture in there, you'll probably see like signs of rust or whatever. When you get moisture inside that solenoid, it's going to cause you no end of problem. So along with cleaning out the solenoid and getting that all operational again, when it gets moisture in it, just make sure that all your control lines from your handle and all the rest of the unit too, all the air lines, have no moisture left in them. Okay, so moisture in, there's no point cleaning the solenoid out if you're going to leave the moisture in the rest of the line. So make sure you blow out all the moisture out of your unit, and that's going to get you going again. Now the other thing we need to do is make sure that you drain your moisture collector. Get rid of that, so there's no moisture left in there either. So get that done. Check on your lubricator, make sure it's got some good oil in there, and that's gonna help. The other thing we can do is, we've gone to a 3/8 FRL here. With the 3/8 FRL, it works in a lot of situations because people can't get volume or flow in the CFM. So this unit actually runs at about, what would it run at? It runs at about on a 1/2 inch unit you probably need another 15 CFM, so it's about 15 CFM less. So yeah, that's why we use this one. But you know, if you guys wanted the 1/2 inch one and you're getting plenty of volume, and you know, we can always change it out, but that's up to you guys. So at the moment this one seems to work fine. Yeah, moisture being the biggest killer, so make sure that you get rid of the moisture out of everywhere, and do that what we explained to you with the solenoid, and that should go a long way towards fixing your problem. So yeah, I hope we've helped anyway, guys. We'll get a couple of units up to you pretty quick as far as the solenoids, and then I'll order some out of torque up as well, and when the container comes up to you guys, you'll have plenty of spares. Cheers guys, hope we've helped.